Maths can be found everywhere. Maths is more than just numbers.
Maths is used in games and puzzles. For example, in the gambling game, roulette, a player may estimate the chances of winning or losing by using the expected value through mathematics.
In this video, we will demonstrate the logic of applying probability in roulette to the possible outcomes of either winning or losing in the game. So let's get started.
When you play roulette, you place a chip on a number or a combination of numbers and wait until the ball is spun. By placing the chip, you've made a bet in which you can either win or lose.
In European roulette, there are 18 red and 18 black colored chips and only one green chip. Total, there are 37 chips. A player can bet in many different ways. In European roulette, one of the simplest bet to make is the color bet, which is an even money bet. So that means if I bet $1 on black, I will either win or lose $1.
So you're probably thinking, what are my chances of winning?
Since there are 37 numbers, each one has an equal chance of occurring. So if we are playing $1 on a black number, then
the expected value formula represents a valid mathematical formula to show that the player will have a disadvantage in the game, even though the events occurring will be completely out of their control.
Google's definition of the expected value of a discrete random variable is the probability-weighted average of all possible values.
Simply, this means that it is the weighted average of how much money you can win or lose. We know that the probability of winning is 18 divided by 37, which equals to approximately 0.486, which is 48.6%.
The probability of losing is 19 divided by 37, which equals to approximately 0.514, which equals 51.4%. Therefore, you will either win $1 or lose $1. Hence, the expected value is equal to 1 multiplied by 18 over 37 added to -1 times 19 over 37, which equals to approximately -0.027. Therefore, this means that on average, you will lose about -2.7 cents for every single dollar that you bet.
In each of these cases, the expected value of losing remains the same throughout. This means that the chance of you losing remains constant. So although the odds may not always be in your favour when betting in roulette, look at it this way. You can always play with Monopoly money.
We hope you got a few tips on how to strategically play roulette. Until then, have fun and gamble safely.